This year has been all about this wine eyeliner. My hair fall actually stopped. You guys can actually see the coverage, the difference of my hands. This has to be the best restock of the year. Just look at it. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Gunjan and you're watching Travels with Sharma. We are literally so end of this year. Like today it's 21st of December. Only 9 days are left for 2025. Honestly, not a fan of this year. I literally hate what all has happened. But we don't want to end the year with the same memories. There were still some good memories, good products that we used this year that literally stayed with me and are following me in the next year as well. So today we are doing best of 2025, like best products of 2025, which includes makeup, skincare, hair care, body care, whatever we have, all the best items that we have purchased in the same year, used in the same year, and loved in the same year. So yeah, let's get started with this video. So I started this year strongly with the idea of stopping my hair fall. And that's when I stumbled upon this one product, which is the Rosemary Hair Spray from TYC. I literally remember so clearly that I got this product delivered on 15th of January. I started using this product and within a week, it stopped my hair fall. Like I was having so much hair fall that like a bunch of hair used to fall. It's literally watery, firstly. So it's a rosemary spray. It does not have like a strong smell, very, very watery. And my hair does not get greasy after using the product because most of the serums, your hair actually become little greasy. Especially I'm someone who usually have an oily scalp because my hair type is low porosity and I need some watery based product, rosemary and allicin infused water. Like this much product only is left because I use this product almost for like 3 months. Like whenever I have my second and third day after the hair wash, I used to use this product on overall my scalp. I just spray it and then I massage it with my hands only. So almost for like 2-3 days I used to use this. Within a week, that was the time frame I was using it, and the way it gives me results, like instant results. My hair fall stopped. Well, it started again, so I've also started using this product again. I stopped using it because I was not really requiring it. My hair fall actually stopped, and after that it didn't really happen. But as soon as I entered in the winter, it started happening again. So I'm back with my same product. Along with that, it's very, very affordable. I think I got it for somewhere around 250 only with such a massive quantity of I think 200 ml. So just go ahead. If you're still facing hair fall, I would only ask you to not use this product if you have very, very dry scalp. But if you have a nominal scalp, which can also get greasy, it's a bit dry also, so you can go ahead with this product for your hair fall. This year, I tried a lot of shampoos, and trust me when I say that, I tried Pantene. I tried that Pantene Clean Scalp some sort of product. That was such a major fail because that product did not clean my scalp at all. My hair used to be so greasy. They used to be frizzy. I hate that product. Like I bought like a small bottle only. I just hate that. I will add a screenshot when I bought that product. I also tried the anti-hair fall shampoo from Naturally. Again, fail. It used to give me frizz-free hair, but the amount of hair fall that has happened after using this product, which clearly says anti-hair fall shampoo, but still gives me like a massive bunch of hair falling. I stopped using this product like after third wash only. But out of all the shampoos that I've used, this is the only product that worked out, which is the multi-peptide anti-hair fall shampoo. Now this is where I say a product that says anti-hair fall shampoo and actually does the work. Like I bought 2 bottles of this product. Both of them I bought from the official site of Wishcare only. Once I got over with the first bottle, which I basically threw, I again restocked in July when I was traveling because I was about to travel for 10 days. So I have to get like a new bottle. That's when I like literally restocked it again. For hair fall, I will always and always recommend you to try this product. You get a 250 ml of the quantity. And this is for somewhere around 350, again affordable shampoo, and Wishcare is doing amazing because for many their serum has also worked out. Personally for me, the Wishcare serum has not worked out, but this product is a game changer. Like use this combination and your hair is gonna feel amazing if you are having hair fall. I don't know about other things like dandruff and all. I'm just talking about the hair fall, and these two are my favorites of 2025 because I've used them in the start. I still have them with me. This was the hair care. Now let me tell you one of the most amazing sunscreen that I tried this year. Like not just one, not just two, but yesterday only I bought it for the third time. This is the underrated sunscreen which has SPF 50 and PA 4 times plus. Best part about this product, let me tell you all, the formula. I have nothing on my face and today I'll show you how it looks. Like when I got the new, I bought this product when I got some new skincare. It is so watery, emulsifies so fast, no white cast. Like this is the formula, very runny formula. I have tried something like this for the very first time with such formula. I used to apply the Dr. Sheth's one, but it was somewhere around 450 for just 50 grams. This is a 50 grams bottle again for just rupees 250. Then why will I not use this product? So this has to be the best restock of the year. Like you guys can see how crazy I've gone after this. They're definitely available on Myntra, Flipkart, Amazon, or wherever you can buy them. And I love the product. The way the name says underrated, this sunscreen is actually very underrated. Not just about the formula, it is about everything, how well it sits. Because beneath this product, I had applied my salicylic serum, and you guys can see the glow and shine that it has provided me. And you have also seen how quickly it has emulsified. It does not feel, it does not give me any sort of irritation on my skin, and I feel amazing when I just have this product on and nothing on my face. Like right now I have nothing on my face as a makeup product, just the sunscreen and my serum. So yeah, this stands out for me amazingly. This again I bought in March or somewhere. In terms of the overall body care, this body lotion I got around Diwali or something. Why I got this body lotion? Because I saw so many people talking about it, how amazing this one is, and the way it like literally smells similar to the Sol de Janeiro's moisturizer. So when I applied it for the first time also, formula is very good, very like fast absorbing, stays for longest time. Like I've actually checked it by myself. If I've applied this one, if I've applied this product, this easily lasts for freaking 6 hours. Can you believe that? 6 hours. I mean, that is something very difficult because winters are all about dryness, and we definitely need a product that gives us the longest hydration possible. Even if we feel like our hands are getting dry again because of the smell, you want to use this product again. And that's what I do. Whenever I'm sleeping at night, before sleeping, I want to smell amazing. I just use this product for my feet, for my overall neck, and for just my hands, not overall body. So to smell amazing and have that sort of hydration, it makes me feel very good. This body lotion got the award for the best body lotion, and now I know why it's the best one, because the way it performs. By the way, I haven't tell you the name. It's the Plum Body Lovins Vanilla Caramello. I also have the cocoa version, but I like the smell of this one. Both of them have the same formula, but this one stands out. But this one is I don't think I have applied any such thing in the past ever. Like that smells also amazing. That stays for the longest hours as well. And that is also comes in the same price bracket as other body lotions. It's finally time to get in with the favorite makeup product, and let me talk first about the base product. This is the Dot & Key's tinted sunscreen, which I use every time whenever I'm shooting a video. So today also I'll just use it. Very watery. It does not have that much coverage, but it emulsifies so fast. Like, can you see? This has kind of similar texture to the sunscreen that I used before. So whenever I want to have like a 2 layer of sunscreen, this is what I do. I first apply my underrated one, and then I go in with the Dot & Key because it gives me that little bit of pink. Like the glow is amazing from this product. You guys can see over here. And this I was using, I think for this I was using from April. It's still not over. I almost use this product 2 or 3 times within a week. Whenever I'm going out, I use this product. Whenever I'm shooting a video, I use this product. If my skin feels dull, at times I use this product only. I don't go with anything heavy on my face. Like I don't go with anything which has heavy coverage, like not even a BB cream or another sort of skin tint. But if you want to have a good skin tint, this one is the product. It's the Lamel Skin Tint in the shade Sand. I will show it to you on my hand because I already have my Dot & Key. The formula of this product, very creamy. Just look at it. I can literally blend this with my fingers so easily. You guys can actually see the coverage, the difference of my hands. This was the actual color of my hand, and this is the coverage. So it gives you a very high coverage. It also says that it's a Smart Skin Serum Tinted Foundation, which means it works like a skin tint, but it gives you coverage like a foundation. Like just look at it. And can you see that glossy, dewy shine? That is why, this is the reason why I've used this product more. I have literally avoided my Mars BB cream this year. If you're literally new to my channel and don't know what is my favorite base product, this used to be my favorite base product. It still is, but I feel like a massive competition has been given by this skin tint. So I have literally stopped using this product and I switched to this one for parties, for Diwali, even for my birthday I use this product. And also whenever I'm meeting my friend in the evening or for night and I want to have like a good base which literally covers everything, give me shine, and still does not feel like as if I have applied something very heavy on my face. So this is the product that literally stand out for me when it comes to the base product. I'm not really a foundation person, so I want something that gives me like less coverage, but the finish has to be amazing, and that's why the Lamel Skin Tint is my favorite. And those who all ask me, tell us about the best base product. This one is what I'm using right now. Although currently I want to try the L'Oreal one, and the shade I want to choose is actually most of the time out of stock. So whenever that is in the stock, I'm going to buy that product. Now let's get ahead with my most used liner. If you guys don't know, or if you guys have not been watching me for the longest time, but if you have joined me this year only in the start, you might know that I have gone crazy after this wine eyeliner from Swiss Beauty. Just look at it. The color is freaking amazing. I'm gonna show you this on one eye, like how much I love this product because of the way it comes off. Can you guys see how easily I've applied it? At times what I does is I apply a black eyeliner and beneath I use this. It works amazing as a kajal, but it is mainly an eyeliner. This has got an insane coverage. Even if it started smudging, it does not look bad. It looks like as if you have applied a pink eyeshadow. So that is the amazing part. I bought this like literally around end of January, but only this much product is left. Because in between I also use my black kajal as an eyeliner to like literally make a change. I was getting obsessed with this product. Like for wherever I used to go, I apply this product. Whenever I'm shooting a video, I used to apply this product. Then I was like, I need to stop with this obsession. So this year has been all about this wine eyeliner from Swiss Beauty. As soon as we were close to end of this year, like in December, start of December only, I got this product from Faces Canada, which is their brown kajal. So for the very first time when I applied it, I did not see it as a good product. But when I made this one particular video on latte makeup, I can see how amazing this was looking. Like, let me show you this product on the other eye. This glides way better than this one, and it will look much it's gonna look more amazing when you have literally concealed your eyes properly. You are applying an eyeshadow on everything. But you guys can see why I love this product. The color is amazing. Again, I use it as a kajal, and this is the pigment of the product. Like, just look at it. Both of them are amazing. I know I'm looking weird with different different colored eye product, but I don't mind. I'm showing you what all I love this year. So by the end of this year, we have two of the most amazing eye products, and I've literally used my black eyeliner less. Now comes the concealer. I think I've talked about this product already a lot in so many videos. When I did my makeup in like one of my last to last videos, I told you all how amazing this concealer is. Why this concealer is amazing? Firstly, it blends fast. Like, I'm gonna dab it and it blends. Just done. Like so fast. Like, I can show you on my scars. I'm gonna dab it. Done. I'm gonna dab it and done. It is so fast, and the way it hides all the darkness around my eyes is so amazing. It goes well with my color corrector as well. It blends fast. It stays for the longest time. It is also one of the most long lasting concealer. That is an amazing part. So that's why I've loved it. Also, I got this for just rupees 220. I mean, I think I was using Swiss Beauty's concealer before this, but I think I'm in love with this one. The quantity is so apt. I don't think this is a low quantity. It's an apt quantity with the price that you're paying, and the way it is working for your face is again amazing. So if you're someone looking for a good concealer under budget, this is the one for you. It has so many shades available as well. Like 6 shades are available in dark to light to medium tone. Everything I always go in with like one tone darker than my skin so that it comes out very natural and not very highlighting. So this one is the shade 06 Honey. Let's talk about some lipstick now. If you guys don't know, I have talked about this one particular liquid lipstick a lot this year since the time I got it. This is the Insights Lip Cream. I currently have this one. So you guys can see from the start of the video, this lipstick was here. Does not transfer. Does not transfer. It is a proper brown shade that you can get for yourself. Formula is so good. I've never seen a lipstick with this formula, and this was for just rupees 200 again. Then I saw that this has niacinamide, avocado oil, and coconut oil. So one thing about coconut oil is that it removes the pigmentation around your mouth. But I've used this product almost like for my birthday, like for so many occasions. This was the only lipstick I have stick to like for every day. Oh my god, I've used this lipstick so much when I was in Goa, in Hyderabad, and when I was in Delhi also. I used this product only. And yes, this was always in my pocket, in my jeans pocket. This was always there. It's gonna suit maximum Indian skin tone because it's a dark shade. Firstly, it will not wash out anyone. And if you feel like adding any sort of pink tone, just add your pink lipstick. because this is the most comfortable liquid formula you will get at this price bracket. Like I know liquid lipsticks from Fave Beauty is very good. Liquid lipstick from L'Oreal Infallible is very good, but that is somewhere gonna cost you somewhere around 900 to 1000 or 1200 whatever. This is for just rupees 200. And I want to tell you, if you are into pinks, they have more shades available in the pink category or dark brown category or either I think maroon category. So if you want to check it out, just search for the Insight Lip Cream. You're gonna see it. I personally bought it, I think from Blinkit or Zepto only. Like it was a last minute purchase for my lipstick video, and oh my god, such an amazing decision I took because I can see myself restocking this freaking lipstick again. I love this formula. Long lasting, does not give me any sort of cracks, does not smudges. What all do you want from a 200 rupees lipstick? I don't know. Second lipstick shade with the most comfortable formula, the best shade, and is just for rupees 150 is this one. Again, it's a proper brown shade. It does not have any undertone of pink, red, maroon or anything. Just a basic brown shade, which is very close to your chocolate shade, I'd say, or I'll say the same shade which I have applied on my lips. It's like a cocoa shade. You can say the color of a cocoa powder. It's that shade. This one is the Hilary Rodas Matte About You in the shade 03 Coffee Date. And I think this was the only formula which was like proper brown, and that's why I got it. And oh my god, I was so I whenever I bought a lipstick which is around affordability or which is coming from like a brand which I've never heard about, turns out to be so amazing. It always ends up impressing me, and that's why I love this lipstick. I want to try more makeup products from this brand, and I also want to try more makeup products from Insight as well, because these are the only two lipsticks that stand out for me in 2025, not anyone, even though I bought a lot. Now comes the category of blushes. Firstly, we have the Blue Heavens Kiss and Blush Lip and Cheek Tint. This I got in February after I saw my friend using this product. I got this one. Best part, this is one of the most long lasting blush that I have right now. And out of all the blushes that I bought, this is the most long lasting one. It has got 4-5 shades available. I got the shade Roasted Berry. But if you're someone who feels like your blush fades away very quickly, then you need to get this one. This is for somewhere around 250 or 300 only, a good quantity product. I think this is the best part, that it is long lasting, and the shade is, this is the shade. It feels like a little bit red shade, but it is not. It's a bit of a pink maroonish sort of shade, which is a bit dark. Next, I have this e.l.f. monochromatic multi-stick. You can use it as an eyeshadow, you can use it as a blush, you can also use it for your lips. That's why it says it's a multi-stick. Best part, it has got a little bit of glittery sort of finish. So whenever I'm going out for like an event, which is like an evening event or night event, I go in with this product. But this is not a very long lasting product. However, you're gonna see how it blends. I'm going just just done. You're done with the blendability. Like let me show you right now on my cheek. Like just done. It is so easy to blend. Only thing is it has not like very high pigmentation, and I love certain blushes that has light pigmentation because I'm not a blush paglu. I also don't think more blush is less blush. I just apply like a very little amount of blush, like just to highlight a little bit of redness. I don't like too much blushes, and for me, I feel like this is the apt blush. Like whenever I want to go out without like highlighting my cheeks and all, I just use this blush. But this works also amazingly because it has glitter. So what I do to make my blush little long lasting, I first go in with the Blue Heavens lip and cheek tint, and then I go in with the e.l.f. blush to have that glittery sort of finish on my face. So in the blush category, these two are my favorites from 2025. Now comes my first ever lip gloss. This was from Mars, bought a month ago only, and I'm still halfway through the bottle. Like I've completed this much product. This is the shade Jelly Bean, and this is their Candylicious lip gloss. I'm Mars has been one of the most underrated brand for Indians, and the way they have provided you variety is amazing because we have got red shades, we've got brown shades, we've got pink shades, so many varieties available with this one. And this, just look at it. I'm gonna apply it on this brown lipstick, and it's gonna still look amazing. Just look at it. Sometimes I don't like too much gloss, so I take very little amount and I just apply. so good. This is looking as if it's a transparent lip gloss, but it also has a brown shade. Soon I'll be making a video on winter lip combos, and in that video I'm going to use this lip gloss and show you an amazing bomb lip combo that you need to watch. So firstly, also subscribe to my channel because आपको regular updates आते रहेंगे, and this is the product. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you guys have watched it till here, these are the products that stand out for me. Like, these are the products that I would happily restock, and that's why they turned out to be my favorite for this year. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Love you all. Keep watching, keep subscribing, and comment down your favorite of 2025, and we might buy that product and review it for ourselves. Until then, bye.